In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Revit. Downloading and installing Autodesk Revit 2025 is straightforward, though you'll need an Autodesk account to access the official installer. Revit is professional BIM building information modeling software, so Autodesk distributes it only through its official platform, ensuring you always get the latest secure release. To get started, go to the Autodesk website at autodesk.com in here in your web browser. Now, sign in with your Autodesk ID. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly create one for free. Once logged in, navigate to the Products section and search for Revit 2025. If you are a student or educator, you can apply for the Autodesk Education Plan, which allows you to download and use Revit for free under a 1-year renewable license. Professionals will need either a trial version or a paid subscription. Click on the download button for Revit 2025 and Autodesk will provide you with the installer. You can choose between the Install Now, Download Now, or Browser download options. Install Now is the fastest for most users as it downloads only the necessary components during setup. Once the installer is downloaded, launch it, agree to the license terms, and choose your installation preferences such as the drive location. The setup wizard will guide you through the rest of the process, and installation may take a little time depending on your internet speed and system performance. After installation, you can open Revit 2025 from your Start menu. The software will ask you to sign in with your Autodesk account to activate your license. Once activated, you'll have access to all Revit's BIM tools for architectural design, structural engineering, main P, and more. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.